creating a 9-up imposition. To get started, let's go to File, New, Document. Take off facing pages, put this at 0.25. Hit OK. Alright, now I did that so you can change the margins after the fact. So let's do that. How do you change margins after the fact? Well, you can go to Layout, Margins, and Columns. And actually I need the left and right one to be 0.5. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is go to A master, and we're going to divide this up. First off, let's grab the rectangle tool. The product that we're making is 2.5 by 3.5. So let's make that 3.5 by 2.5. Okay. Next, we're going to have to step and repeat this into a grid format to get down the actual spacing of things. To do this, all I'm going to do is go to Edit, Step and Repeat. I'm going to type in the exact measurement of our product. In this case, vertical, it's 2.5. Oh, no, 3.5, sorry. 3.5 on that one, 2.5 on this one. Okay, number of columns, number of rows. Well, there's 3 columns, 3 rows. Hit preview to see what this looks like. All right. Let me rechange those margins just to make sure that they're there. Left is 0.5, right is 0.5. There we go. Now we're going to move this new group into the center. It should fit nicely on the margin lines. Next, we're going to have to devise a way for this to be cut out. In order to do that, we're going to need some crop marks. I'm going to draw one crop mark out right here, and it should be green up against this line. This is telling me that it is in line with everything else. So if I click and drag it, you'll see a green line appear. That is correct. I need this to be put every 2.5 inches over. So, again, I'm going to go Edit, Step and Repeat. This time I'll take it off grid and put it at only horizontal. I'll put the count up to 4. That might be overkill, but I can always get rid of 1. Okay, let's do that again. I'm going to put a crop mark here. Okay, just going to stretch it out a little bit further. And then I'm going to step and repeat it all the way down. Edit, step and repeat. This time, it's vertical. 3.5. Put this one at 0. There we go. So we should have them all the way down. Now there's another way to do this. If I grab the ones at the top, I can go Object, Group. Okay. Then I'm just going to make a copy of them. Hold Alt, click and drag. It will make a copy of these. I can then take these lines and drag them down to the bottom. if they're correctly positioned, they'll have the green guides show up. Okay, I'm going to do that with the sides also. I'm going to grab them all, object group them, zoom in, hold Alt, click and drag them across. There we go. There's our crop marks. All right. Along with this, what we want to do is take these middle ones and devise a way to get them so they don't show up, but they're there. We're going to have to turn them off eventually, but for right now, we just want some dotted lines out here, and then we'll have to turn them into a less solid line later on. Here I can choose dashed. So dashed lines will give me this. Perfect. Now, if we go to A Master 1, we have our template for our 9 up imposition. Let's save this somewhere. Save as. And let's save it on our desktop under 9 up. Really, I would keep a copy of this because you don't want to keep reproducing this every time. Even though it is good practice. All right, enjoy.